So welcome back friends. In this video we are going to discuss about the outbreak of the revolution, France revolution, how it started in France. So in France what happened, there was a system that monarchs should call the meetings of States General before increasing tax. Suppose the king wanted to increase the tax, then before that he had to call one meeting. And in France, the last meeting of States General was called in the year 1614. Okay, and on 5th May 1789, Louis XBI called for an assembly of States General. Again, he called one States General meeting on 5th May 1789. Then there are the members of a third state. They are the members of third state that did not get equal respect. Okay, because the first and second state had 300 members and they seated in rows facing each other. But the third state, they have more members, 600 members, they have educated members, they stood at the backside. So they did not get equal respect in that convention or in that meeting. So the members of third state, what they demanded? They demanded that one member should be one vote. Okay, they demanded one member should be one because they had more members. But the existing system, what was the system? Previous system was one state, one vote. To increase the text, one state, one vote. But when the king rejected the proposal that one member, one vote, the members of the third state, they walked out of the assembly in protest. So what they did, they walked out of the assembly in protest. Then on 20th June 1789, the members of third state, they assembled at indoor tennis court and they declared themselves as National Assembly of France. So these people, they declared themselves as the National Assembly of France. They decided and took place to write the Constitution of France. And this incident was known as tennis court plays. Did you understand tennis court plays? One of the important question, this may come in your exam. So remember tennis court plays. And two great leaders, they led them. Two great leaders was there. One was Mirabeau and one was Abicius. Mirabeau and Abicius. So Mirabeau was who was Mirabeau? Mirabeau was born on a noble family but did not like feudal privileges. And Abicius, originally a priest, and he wrote a book, and the name of the book was What is the Third State? Okay, what is the third state? This was the book written by Abicius. And due to this type of situation, what happened? People were so dissatisfied with the king, and on 14 July 1789, they destroyed the Bastille. Okay, and rumor spread at that time, only rumor spread among the people that the crops of the peasants will be destroyed by the members of first and second state. So when people heard this, the peasants attacked Chetu in many areas of France. Okay, and they looted hoarded grains. They looted the grains. They burnt official records of dues, and for that many people, nobles, moved to neighboring countries. So people became angry. They started their work, their action against the noblemen, and for that many noble also they left the country. Then after that, what happened? King had to listen to them because the protest of the peasants, the protest of the common people, it was in high peak. They were protesting against the king in various ways. So the king had to listen to them. So what happened? There was an end of social privileges in France. By seeing the revolt, Louis XBI recognized the proposal of National Assembly. He recognized the proposal of National Assembly, and on 4th August 1789, France passed laws to abolishing the feudal system. France abolished the feudal system. France minimized the privileges given to rich section of the society. Tithes abolished, land of church seized by the authority, and government acquired assets worth at least 2 billion livres. So these were the changes happened when the outbreak of the revolution came in France. After that, what happened? France becomes a constitutional monarchy. Okay, constitutional monarchy means where a constitution will be there and monarch or king will also be there. So the National Assembly completed the draft of the constitution on 1791. Okay, so when the draft of the constitution completed on 1791, powers of the monarch limited and separated among legislature, executive and judiciary. Powers of the monarch limited and it was separated, and due to change of powers, France became a constitutional monarchy. And in France, what was the system of the France? In France, only 4 million people, they had the right to vote, and they were known as They were known as active citizens, and about 3 million had no voting rights. They were known as passive citizens. And how the assembly was elected? The assembly was indirectly elected. First, active citizens were giving their votes to a group of electors. Then they choose the assembly members. King had veto power, one special power, but National Assembly had control over minister also. So this was the existing system of France. But who are the active and passive members? Active members were male above 25 years of age, and those were paying tax equal to at least 3 days of a laborer's age wage. Okay, and passive member women, children below 25 years of age, those who are giving less tax or those who are not giving tax, very less tax, these were known as passive members, and these passive members, they did not have any voting rights. But high taxpayers can qualify as an elector. Okay, high taxpayers, those who are giving high tax, they can qualify as an elector. So after that, what happened? The constitution came, and the constitution began with the rights of men and citizens. What was contained in the constitution? The contents of the constitution were rights to life, freedom of speech and expression, equality before law. Okay, these were regarded as natural rights, and the duty of the state was to protect these rights. So in this video, this much. Next video we will discuss what happened in France, how the people continue their protest against the government, and whether the government listened to them or not. Thank you.